Shauor Welfare Foundation had a dream for the development of women, which was fulfilled with the divine help and support. A place, there were piles of garbage everywhere, and such a ruin that one could only imagine a successful center. But the journey from concept to construction was immensely successful. Shaoor Welfare Center, Dina, Jehlem is now functioning with full vibrancy and success. Here there is a free medical center where people from the area receive free medicines, medical tests, and treatment. There is also a stitching and grooming center where women are trained to acquire advanced skills. The computer center is designed to provide both basic and advanced IT knowledge. Above all, there is a sales center that offers business opportunities to the women who receive training from the Shauor Welfare Center, Dina. It is making a significant impact, and we are hopeful that it will reach even greater heights.